Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up using Backblaze on macOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Backblaze on your macOS, first, visit the Backblaze website. Click the download button to grab the latest version of the software. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your downloads folder. Follow the prompts to install Backblaze on your Mac. After installation, launch the Backblaze application. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen guiding you through the setup process. Enter your email address to create or log into your Backblaze account. Next, you'll see an option to select which files you want to backup. By default, Backblaze selects the most common file types. You can customize your selection by clicking on the Settings or Backup tab. Review the excluded file types list to ensure nothing important is omitted. Once you've made your selections, click Backup Now to start the backup process. Backblaze will begin backing up your files in the background. You can monitor the progress through the Backblaze interface. Feel free to use your Mac while Backblaze works on your backup. When your initial backup is complete, you can access your files via the Backblaze web interface. Make sure to regularly check that your backups are up to date. Backblaze offers options for scheduling regular backups if needed. Remember, the first backup may take a while depending on the size of your files. After setup, Backblaze will automatically back up any new or changed files. You're now set up for secure cloud backup with Backblaze on macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.